iEFF inqhubanisa inhloko kokuqala kulonyaka kale kwezinsuku ezintathu zizayo izakuhlahla indlela ezakuthi gangathwe ngulombutho ku2021 kwinto ebonwe njengongabi nambeko ngabaninzi okwenziwe ngobesakuba ngusihlalo kazwelonke weIEFF uAdvocate Dali Mpofu ngethuba exelela abantu mabathi cwaka kwi-State Capture Commission ngolwesine umbutho wakhe umqhwabela izandla.
I would have said that much more stronger than Advocate Senior Counsel Dali Mpofu. So we're very proud of Dali Mpofu as the EFF, very proud. He remains our loyal member of the EFF, and what he's doing at the State Capture Commission is what we would have done 3 times more harder.
Lombutho umile kwelithi ngo2024 makube kunyulo olulodwa luzoquka onke amabakala karhulumente.
We want to have one set of elections from national, province, and to local government. So we want to synchronize the elections, and we stand very strong on that. We need to synchronize. But also now, because of the pandemic, we have not had a chance to prepare ourselves to be ready for the elections.
Ikanti ke iEFF ithe halala kosandla konyulwa umongameli waseTanzania uSamia Suluhu Hassan. Ndingwabongile Dumako, wendaba ze SABC eGauteng.